Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to demonstrate you how to import the demo website data in your website using ShopNex theme. Let us first install the theme. Navigate to Appearance and then Themes, and then click on Add Theme button. Now enter ShopNex in the search bar. Now you will see the ShopNex theme. Now click on the Install button to install our theme. Now click on the Activate button to activate our theme. Now our theme is now activated. Now you will see the button Get Started with ShopNex at the top notice banner. Just click on this button and it will install our Site Library plugin, and then after it will redirect to the demo import page. Now you will see the demo import page and also see the available demos. Click on the Import Demo button and a pop-up will appear for confirmation. Just click OK and the demo import pop-up will appear. Now wait for some time for demo import process to finish. So demo import process is finished successfully. Now click on the Visit Website button to check the website. Let us check the shop page also. Let us check the product single page too. All things are perfectly imported. Thank you for watching.